One of the sisters, one of the nuns in Kerala, Sister Lucy, has been dismissed from the Franciscan Clarist congregation. That's a Catholic congregation. The congregation has said it's on disciplinary grounds, but she's also among the very few nuns who came out and protested against rape-accused Bishop Franco Mullakkal, who's currently being tried in courts for these charges. Joining us right now currently is Sister Lucy. Thank you for talking to NDTV. First question to you, Sister Lucy. Your appeals against your dismissal have been rejected according to the Catholic congregation. You've used all the levels of redressal that you could. All of them have been rejected. How do you see this now that you've also got a notice for vacating the convent?
Yes, as you know, there is only 3 chances to appeal to the Supreme Tribunal. So I have used that all 3 chances, and in all these 3 chances, without listening me, without understanding my part, they have rejected in an unjust way my all appeals. Even if the last and the third time, I tried through my advocate, but without the advocate's consideration or any trial in the court happened. Without that, they have already taken the decision to reject me. It means they have targeted me to push me out from the convent.
Well, the Catholic congregation has actually gone ahead and several times said that you have been dismissed on disciplinary grounds for violating their rules of living, but you are also among the few nuns who protested against Franco Mullakkal, demanding action against him within the church as well as outside. He's being tried in court for charges of rape right now. How do you see this?
As everybody knows that FCC had taken that decision to dismiss me out from the congregation. Only because of that, I have joined the protest against Bishop Franco Mullakkal, the one who sexually abused a simple and humble and a poor nun from the congregation of Missionaries of Jesus. Many times we know that. That support giving to the oppressed one is the reason, the particular reason for my dismissal is that everybody knows that also. Why it is happening? Jesus Christ himself told that we should speak out the truth and stand for the truth. That's why Jesus also crucified and accepted the death on the cross. So this is my duty, and not only my duty, the congregation's duty also this was. But they were not ready to do that. They were not ready to stand for the victimized one. They stood with the accused one, Bishop Franco Mullakkal. That was their wrongdoing, and in a sense it is a crime also. The reason they are telling this that I have done great violation of the rules and regulations of FCC. Which rule I violated? I don't know. The rule of love, the rule to stand for the justice and truth. Am I violated? So it cannot be acceptable. That is why the dismissal cannot be acceptable by my conscience itself. I am nothing done against the rules and laws of the society and the constitution and the rules of the FCC congregation also. What is to write a poem and collection of poems, publishing and writing skills or driving skills or buying a vehicle for the convenience to do the social work and my apostolic work. Is it a great violation of the rules of the society?